you struggling to ACE CAT Quant? Here's the perfect strategy for you. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Verbal Hub. With just a week left for CAT, let's dive into a strategic plan to ace the Quantitative Aptitude section. Stick around because I've got a step-by-step guide to help you maximize your score. First, focus on revising the high-weightage topics that form the core of CAT Quant. Spend 70 to 80% of your time here, as these are the ones that matter the most. Arithmetic covers nearly 40 to 50% of the question. Topics include percentages, profit and loss, time and work, averages, ratios, and time-speed distance. Use real-life examples for better understanding. Algebra, quadratic equations, inequalities, functions, and graphs. Practice interpreting graphs to strengthen this area. Geometry and mensuration. Revise Pythagoras, properties of triangles, and mensuration formulas for circles and polygons. Number systems. Focus on divisibility rules, remainders, and HCF's LCM. Modern math. Review permutations and combinations, probability, and logarithms. The key here is revising formulas and solving practice problems. Don't dive into unfamiliar topics now. Don't waste time on overly challenging questions. Instead, practice moderate-level problems that are more likely to appear in the exam. Use resources like official CAT question papers or books like Arun Sharma's Quantitative Aptitude. Identify patterns from past exams and build confidence by solving CAT-relevant problems. Every day, dedicate 60 to 90 minutes to solving a full quant section. Simulate exam conditions by timing yourself for 40 minutes, just like the actual test. After solving, analyze your performance, check your accuracy, time management, and weak areas. Revise those concepts the same day. CAT doesn't allow calculators, so sharpen your mental math. Practice approximation techniques for large numbers and brush up on squares, cubes, and percentage conversions. For example, instead of calculating 19.8 by 9.95 exactly, round it to 20 times 10 is equal to 200. Apps like Mental Math or Math Tricks can make this practice fun and effective. Here's the golden rule. Solve easy and medium questions first. In the first 2 to 3 minutes, scan the section and pick the questions you can solve quickly. Mark the tougher ones for later and revisit them only if you have time. Allocate an average of 2 minutes per question. Use the mark and move strategy to avoid getting stuck. Spend the last 5 to 7 minutes revisiting marked questions to maximize attempts without compromising accuracy. Mocks are your best friend in the final week. Take 2 to 3 full-length mocks under exam-like conditions. Analyze your mistakes, identify frequent errors, and refine your strategy. Remember, mocks are not just about scoring but about learning and improving. Create a compact formula sheet and review it daily. Include all the essential formulas for arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and number systems. This will keep your basics fresh and reduce last-minute confusion during the exam. Don't overwhelm yourself by cramming new topics. Instead, focus on refining what you already know. Stick to light revision, ensure good sleep, and maintain a relaxed routine. On the day before the exam, avoid mocks or heavy problem-solving. Go through your formula sheet, revise 2 to 3 solved examples, and stay confident. Hydrate well, sleep early, and keep a positive mindset. Remember, CAT rewards strategy and clarity. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with fellow CAT aspirants. Let me know your prep strategies in the comments. Good luck, and go ace that quant section.